Ew. Now, this is a gross egg. Should I wash it? Short answer is no. I will tell you why and what you can do with store-bought eggs, and you can use the next 5 seconds to like and subscribe. Now, my fresh laid eggs are usually pretty clean, but that's because of my genius roll-off nests. I will talk about that in a further video. But sometimes a hen can have a little pooping accident while laying an egg, or the nest isn't really clean, so it might end up with a little dirt on it. So washing an egg or not, if an egg is freshly laid, there's something called cuticula. That is a natural chemical layer around the egg. This is preventing bacteria and whatnot to get inside, because the eggshell itself isn't really airproof, because the chick that might develop inside needs to breathe as well. So as soon as you wash the egg, you will remove the cuticula, and you want to avoid that. The only moment you really want to wash your egg is right before using it. If you are using cold water, hot water, with or without soap, with a brush, with a sponge, that's totally up to you. I usually only use cold water.
Eggman, I'm the Eggman. 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 I'm the Eggman. Eggman, I'm the Eggman. Eggman, I'm the Eggman. Eggman, I'm the Eggman. Eggman, I'm the Eggman.
Now, if you're buying your eggs out of a store and they are sprinkly white or brown or beige or green, whatever chicken breed laid it, possibility is pretty high that they got pre-washed. That means cuticula is already gone. That means store it in the fridge. Always tip down, as mentioned in another video. You might have noticed that stores have their eggs either in the fridge or outside, and that might be a sign for that, if they are pre-washed or not. But you know, the store owner has to know about this. Maybe he just don't cares, or he doesn't know, and he puts the unwashed eggs in the fridge, or even he leaves the washed eggs outside. So you never know. That's why I would say, if you buy eggs in the store, put them in the fridge. But putting them in the fridge, there's the other thing. As soon as you're changing temperatures in or around the egg, there might be condense building up inside, outside, wherever it is. If there's water involved, that again benefits bacteria to get into the egg. So always stay safe with your egg treatment. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.
Eggman, I'm the Eggman. Eggman, I'm the Eggman.